Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you could create an amazing button like this. So we have a hover effect here, and when we click it, our game starts. So let's start coding this. So here is my game that will run when the button is clicked. So let's just replace this when green flag clicked to a new broadcast message called start game. And then when the green flag is actually clicked, let's just hide this. Now let's create our button. So let's just create a new sprite and call it button. So first let's just create a rectangle like this, and let's give it a color, say something like blue. And then let's add a text. I'm going to make a white text and write play. And I'm going to give it a white outline, and then I'm going to center it. Let's also group this, and then to solve the clipping issue, let's just make an invisible rectangle like this. Adjust the size, and then make sure to click this go to back layer over here. Now just duplicate this costume, and now let's create the hovering effect. So take this text color and make it as the background color, and then take this text color right over here. So let's just ungroup this for now, and then let's take this color right over here and then fill it in this text, and then let's just make the outline color also blue. Now that we have that, let's go to the code area. So let's take a when green flag clicked, get a show block. Let's go to x0 and y0, as you can see here, and then let's just do forever if else touching mouse pointer. Let's do a size effect, so like change size by, let's say, 120 minus size divided by 2, then put it over here, and then in the else statement just set it to the default 100. So this is basically a hovering effect like this. Then for the costume switching, let's just put costume 2 here and costume 1 here. As you can see, it starts switching its costumes right over here. And now let's make some turning effect. Let's just do turn degrees here, and then make it something like, which is like similar to this. And then let's put something like 95 right over here, and instead of this size, let's make it direction. Let's do the same thing for the else statement, but this time we make it default, which is 90. So as you can see, it works. Now when it is clicked, we want it to start the game. So let's do if mouse down under this if touching mouse pointer. Then let's do wait until not mouse down. Then we'll check if the mouse pointer is still there, and then after that we'll just broadcast start game. And then when I receive start game, let's hide. So the reason I did all this wait until not mouse down and if touching mouse pointer under this if mouse down is to solve all the scratch button glitches. So as you can see now, I can hover this, and if I click it, we have our game started. And that's how to create an amazing button in Scratch. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.